We interrupt your regular programming this morning for breaking news. The United States Supreme Court has overturned Roe v. Wade, effectively discontinuing the right to an abortion at the federal level. Now, this is a decision that was originally leaked in early May. The decision to allow abortion care or completely outlaw the procedure now lies with the states. We have a crew, multiple crews outside the Supreme Court now. They are working to bring us the latest details. Once we get those here in-house, we will bring them right to you. We're trying to get a feel for what it's like out there and breaking down now what happens here around the DMV as a result of this ruling. Abortion is legal in Maryland. Access to safe and legal abortion will most likely be protected in the state. In 2022, the state reinforced abortion protections for patients. The General Assembly overrode Governor Hogan's veto that will allow nurse practitioners, nurse midwives, and trained physician assistants to be able to perform abortions. In Virginia, abortion is legal in the Commonwealth. However, there are some restrictions that can limit access. Back in July of last year, then candidate, now Governor Glenn Youngkin was caught on tape contradicting some of his past statements on abortion. In D.C., the D.C. Council passed a law in 2017 that made it illegal to discriminate against healthcare professionals who provide or publicly support abortions. But because the district is not yet a state, Congress, where D.C. residents have no voting representation, has control over laws and budgets associated with the procedure. We go now live to the Supreme Court. WDVM's Joseph Olmo standing by there. He's been there for about a half hour so far this morning. Joe, that decision just came down. What's it like out there?
Well, I'll tell you what, Randy, the way that we found out wasn't a push notification on our phone. It wasn't a tweet. It wasn't anything like that. It was we were setting up our live shot here, and we heard a lot of cheers, a lot of people celebrating, the people who are obviously against abortions. They were celebrating. We wanted to know what it was, and thankfully to our executive producer, Katie Simon, confirming to us that Roe versus Wade has been overturned in America, meaning that states now have the option that they haven't had for the past 50 years to severely limit abortions or completely ban them. So what does this mean for women in America who want the option to have an abortion if they need one? Well, recent studies, including one that I just read on NPR today, shows that 1 in 4 women in the United States, that's like 40 million women, 40 million Americans, will have an abortion at one point in their life. And now there's a possibility that over 24 states, half of the country, you won't be able to get safe access to abortion in your state.